being in the city, I knew opportunities were just going to be waiting there.
The campus was a big factor for me, being in downtown Boston, the heart of the city.
Suffolk to me has been my home. All the students from the city get all the opportunities.
One of the many reasons why I love Suffolk University is because it's located conveniently in the heart of Boston.
Hello, I'm Stephen Lopez.
My name's Mardoche Silvestri. I'm a freshman.
I'm a sophomore here at Suffolk.
My name is Jonathan McTigg, and I'm a senior here at Suffolk University.
My name's Laurel. I'm a junior here at Suffolk.
The moment I opened my acceptance letter from Suffolk University, I knew exactly that this was the right institution for me.
I was pretty surprised when I saw the congratulations part, because I thought Suffolk was going to be a reach school for me.
Suffolk was one of my top choices of schools I applied to.
And I remember just being so excited that I knew I was at least going to go to college. I chose to come to Suffolk for a couple of reasons. One was the location, and then the second reason was that I liked being a big fish in a small pond. And I enjoyed being able to know that coming here I wasn't going to be competing against thousands and thousands and thousands of other students, but the standard and the bar is still set super high with Suffolk students, but I still am able to take advantage of those opportunities and the different resources that Suffolk provides.
The feeling you got when you meet Suffolk students, the way they talk about the school, and again, the campus was a big factor for me, being in downtown Boston, the heart of the city.
I chose to come to Suffolk University because I did not want a campus with walls. I wanted to be immersed in the city, feeling and kind of, walking the streets of Boston with the politicians, the CEOs, CFOs, and all these professionals. But at the same time, as soon as I entered a building at Suffolk University, you were part of those small classroom experiences, and that's why I joined the Suffolk community.
The first involvement experience I had was going to the Plaza-Palooza, which we have every year at Suffolk.
Plaza-Palooza is an event where all the clubs gather on Romare Plaza outside of Somerset.
The over 80 plus clubs and organizations that are student run on campus who are highly involved within the university and community around us, those things just add to your Suffolk experience that are all done outside of the classroom.
Suffolk offers a variety of sports. We are Division III. We offer men and women's basketball, for men and women's golf, men's and women's tennis, baseball, softball, men's and women's hockey, women's volleyball, men's and women's soccer, cross country, for men and women.
There are so many different events that happen on and off campus here at Suffolk University, whether that may be discounted tickets to go to the Boston Bruins games, the Celtics, the Red Sox, the Museum of Fine Arts and Sciences, and so much more being here in the heart of Boston. Also bringing the outside in, whether that may be events such as Dear World, where it really gets us to share our stories about what has happened throughout our lives, positive and negative impacts that really shaped us into who we are today, sharing those Suffolk stories and bringing them throughout your college career as well as beyond.
Being in the heart of Boston, you get a whole bunch of opportunities offered to us. So when the Patriots took the Super Bowl, just knowing that they were around our area, and just when they just drove by with celebrating through our campus, it felt pretty unique knowing that we're in the heart of Boston and just seeing the Patriots celebrate through the community and sharing that pride and happiness with us.
The Performing Arts Office has so many different variations of arts. They put on multiple shows a year, including a variety show. Occasionally it's a student written show. Students are welcome to act in that, direct, stage manage, choreograph. And then we have student organizations as well, which students can dance in, sing in. Other performing arts groups that we have on campus are Who's Asking? It's a sketch comedy group. Wicked Hip Hop Team. We have our dance company. We have multiple a cappella groups that compete nationally. We have a lot of different dance teams. Seriously Bent, Suffolk's only improv comedy troupe. All of these groups are available to any students, both undergrad and graduate, regardless of major.
Around campus at Suffolk University, I'm involved in the Student Government Association, where I am a class of 2018 senator.
Black Student Union.
I'm the president of Suffolk's only improv comedy troupe, Seriously Bent.
I'm a student athlete.
I'm also a trustee ambassador.
I am the junior class representative for the College of Arts and Science Honors Program,
Caribbean Student Networks.
I'm a trustee ambassador.
orientation leader, and an orientation team leader.
An orientation leader.
Step Team.
I'm currently part of the Journey program.
Journey Leadership Program.
The Journey Leadership Program.
The internship opportunities in and around Suffolk University are never ending, and myself being a perfect example of the many internship opportunities here in Boston as well as other places around our country and globe really gives the whole of Suffolk experience for the student exactly that: opportunity, access, and a full experience during your time here at Suffolk. So much is just offered directly on our campus, and having the most centrally located campus is definitely a benefit.
I've already gotten my first internship at the Woburn Superior Courthouse.
One of my favorite opportunities that I had here at Suffolk University was actually traveling down to Washington, D.C., where I was able to be a part of an internship seminar experience through the Washington Center.
Just seeing that the 1 year opportunity to go to Madrid as a freshman was an offer, I knew that Suffolk would be a big school and a world of opportunities waiting for me out there.
Our Madrid campus is located right in the middle of Madrid, Spain. It's a smaller school. We have around 200 students who study there, but they all really get to know each other and they become really great friends, which is really cool because then you get to explore Spain as well as lots of other different countries, being over in the middle of Europe. And the Madrid campus also does a really great job of getting students to explore different locations within the country of Spain.
I just have so much love for Suffolk. Everywhere I go, I make sure I rep Suffolk somehow.
I truthfully love Suffolk University just because of the friendships that I have made, as well as the access and opportunity within and around the city of Boston. Having the opportunities to have the internships, job experience, be involved in clubs and organizations on campus, care about the community as well as travel are all great parts of your educational career, and here at Suffolk University you get that all.
I love Suffolk because it's in the heart of Boston. I have had so many different opportunities here in Boston because of where I go to school. A lot of the alumni that have graduated from Suffolk have also been really great assets to me. We have a lot of different trips that we can take because we're so close to public transportation.
Realize that Suffolk is located at the center for opportunity and access.
Really look at the big picture and look at everything that Suffolk offers. We have a small student body, but that just means that there's more opportunities for them to meet other students and other faculty. There's always something going on campus, and we do really have a really great student body that comes together.
Being a senior at Suffolk University, I can honestly look back at the last 4 years and say that I would not change any of the decisions I made. Coming into the institution, to the different organizations that I have joined and leadership programs I have joined, to all of the internship and job opportunities that I have received. Suffolk University really does go above and beyond for all of the students of the institution and really make sure that your 4 years here are given to you with access and opportunity.
I think my Suffolk experience has been pretty packed so far. I think that it's really cool to be able to sit down and think about all of the different things that I've been able to do at Suffolk. I've gone to conferences that are all over the United States. I got a chance to go over to our Madrid campus last year. Suffolk is really a global school.
My Suffolk experience has been thrilling.
My Suffolk experience has been amazing.
A never-ending story, I would say.
My Suffolk University experience has been filled with opportunity. We hope to see you soon so you can start your Suffolk experience.